Hello and welcome to this video on how to lose weight and feel great. If you're looking to shed a few pounds and improve your overall well-being, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you my simple and effective plan for achieving your weight loss goals and feeling your best. First and foremost, it's important to track your food intake and physical activity. Use a food diary or an app to record what you eat and drink, as well as your exercise routine. This will help you identify any unhealthy habits and make changes to your diet and exercise routine. Try to be as honest as possible when tracking your food intake, as this will give you a true picture of your eating habits. Next, focus on eating a healthy, balanced diet. This means plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks, and limit your intake of added sugars and saturated and trans fats. These types of foods and beverages can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Instead, opt for nourishing, whole foods that will fuel your body and help you feel your best. Another important aspect of weight loss and feeling great is getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, as lack of sleep can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Sleep is essential for repairing and regenerating the body, so be sure to get enough rest each night. It's also essential to stay hydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day. Water can help fill you up and keep you hydrated, which can help with weight loss. Dehydration can lead to a variety of health problems, so it's important to stay hydrated throughout the day. In addition to eating well and sleeping enough, it's important to stay active. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, like going for a walk or run, cycling, or swimming. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week. Exercise not only helps with weight loss, but it also has numerous other health benefits, such as improving cardiovascular health, boosting mood, and increasing energy levels. Finally, don't forget to seek support. Surround yourself with friends and family who support your weight loss goals, or consider joining a support group or working with a therapist or coach. It can be helpful to have someone to talk to and motivate you along the way. Losing weight and feeling great can be challenging, so it's important to have a supportive network to help you along the way. So that's my simple and effective plan for losing weight and feeling great. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall well-being. Remember to track your food intake and physical activity, eat a healthy diet, get enough sleep, stay hydrated, stay active, and seek support. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to losing weight and feeling your best. Good luck! Thanks for joining me and I'll see you in the next video.